Welcome, I'm filming the Oppo A52 and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now to get started, we will need to shut off the device by holding the power key. From here slide down to power off and wait for the device to shut off. When it has, what you want to do is hold power key and volume down, both of the keys at the same time, and when you see the Oppo logo you can let go. From here, select your language, so I'm going to go with English, and then tap on Wipe Data. Now if you have some kind of pattern, PIN, password set, you will need to confirm it. And from here, make sure you select Format Data. Now the one above, Wipe Data, that is really tempting in green, does literally nothing that says Wipe Data. I would consider contacts, messages and photos to be data, and as you can see it retains those three. So this is kind of useless, so make sure you tap on the format data instead. And from here tap on format, the process will begin, and at this stage it takes fairly quickly. It's right about done, and once it's finished it gives you a pop-up to basically reboot the device, at which point it will continue the process in the background. So the device will be turning on for a little bit longer, but once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.